Hello everyone. So in continuation to the previous video about the example for orchestration or orchestrator versus choreography coordinator pattern in microservices, here's an example in Python. So as you can see, I have a class created order service orchestrator, and it has a method called as place order. It takes following parameters like order ID, customer ID, and the amount. So as soon as I have order being placed, I make a call to I instantiate this class and call the place order method. And inside this method, as you can see, we are doing a print statement calling payment service, and which in turn just makes a post call to my payment service and makes and pass in the order ID and the amount, right? Once I get a successful response from the payment service, I make a call to inventory service in order to basically reserve the inventory. And here, as you can see, I'm making a post call to my inventory service reserve method, passing in the order ID, and it just reserves the inventory. And once my inventory is reserved, the next call is to shipping service, and it's again a post call to my shipping service, passing in the order ID, uh, just to ship the order, right? Uh, so as you can see, it acts as a central brain or a controller and calls all the methods in sequence one after the another. Compare it against, let's see an example for choreography as well, right? Uh, so here I am at choreography. Let me see if I am able to present that. Right. So here I have an example for my choreography. In the similar fashion, I have an order service class, and I have a event bus list initialized out of my class. So it acts as a global list. So inside my order service, I have a place order method. As soon as somebody places an order, I just do some business logic validation and publish an event uh, with the payload as order place along with order ID and the amount. And here's my publish event method, which just publishes an event, right? And then I have a payment service which has subscribed to my event as order place. It checks for if my event type is order placed. It will do its business logic of processing the payment, and which in turn publishes a new event as payment successful and appends the event into the message bus. And once this processing is complete, it will publish another event to inventories service. It will not publish directly to the inventory service, but in fact, it will just publish an event as payment successful. My inventory service has been waiting for an event as payment successful. So as soon as it receives an event as payment successful, it will start processing the payload and do some business logic validation and everything, right? And post that, it will just publish an event as inventory reserved along with some metadata. Uh, as soon as I have my event published, my shipping service is waiting for an event from inventory service, And as soon as receive as event as inventory reserved, which is being published by my inventory service, it will do its processing of business logic and ship the customer order, right? So here uh, I have initialized all the classes, and here is a call to my order service with some parameters as my order ID, my customer ID, and the amount, right? And while I have events in my event bus that we have declared outside, we will continue processing the events in this order of my payment service, inventory service, and shipping service. So this is a coding example of the difference between my orchestration versus choreography. Hope you find it useful. Thank you.